Chapter 1. Morning Routine. The sun rose over the city, and Sarah's alarm buzzed loudly. She yawned and stretched. "Time to get up," she said, pulling off the blanket. "Let's start the day." She walked to the bathroom, looked in the mirror, and whispered, "I look so tired today." She brushed her teeth, washed her face, and laughed. Better late than never. In the kitchen, she made coffee and toasted bread. "What's for breakfast?" I'll grab something quick." Glancing at the clock, she panicked. "Oh, no, I'm running late." She quickly got dressed and picked up her bag. "Let's go." Chapter 2. The Commute. Outside, she saw her neighbor watering plants. "Good morning." "How are you?" "I'm fine, thanks. And you?" "Not too bad." She smiled and walked to the bus stop. The bus arrived and she stepped in. "Excuse me, is the seat taken?" she asked a man. "No, go ahead," he replied. She sat down and sighed. It's going to be a long day. She listened to music and watched the people around her. An old man dropped his bag. Sarah helped. "Can I give you a hand?" "Thank you so much." "It's my pleasure." Chapter 3. At work. Sarah reached the office. "Hey, what's going on?" she said to her colleague. Same old, same old." "Let's get to work." She opened her laptop and started typing. Her boss entered. "Sorry, I'm late. Sarah, can you give me a hand with this file?" "Sure thing." At lunchtime, her friend asked, "Want to grab a bite?" "I'm starving." They went to the cafe. "How's your day going?" "So far, so good. What about you?" "Hang in there. We're halfway done." Back at her desk, she got a message. "What do you think about this idea? That sounds great. Count me in." Chapter 4. Evening and Social Life. At 5 p.m., Sarah packed up. "Finally, I'm done for the day." She met her best friend at the bookstore. "Long time no see." "Yeah, it's been a while. Let's catch up." They grabbed coffee and chatted. "That's hilarious." "No way." "Really?" After an hour, Sarah checked her phone. "I've got to go." "Take care." "You too. Keep in touch." Chapter 5. Night Routine. Back home, Sarah took off her shoes. Home, sweet home. She made dinner and turned on the TV. "What's on tonight?" she called her mom. "Just checking in. Talk to you later." Yawning, she said, "I'm beat." Time to hit the hay. She got into bed. Good night. Sweet dreams. She smiled, thinking, what a day. And with that, she fell asleep.